What's going on, guys? It's me, Linsay, with LindsayMoore.com. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 8 ways that you can do affiliate marketing without a website or a blog. Now, I've talked about quite a few of these strategies on this channel and I implement inside of my business. So I just want to go ahead and share those with you, because if you want to go ahead and get started with affiliate marketing, these are definitely some great ways for you to get started, so that way you can start seeing your first initial results with affiliate marketing. So make sure you stay into the end of the video, because I'm going to let you know how to get access to my free training that's going to share with you how to get $100 per day with affiliate marketing. So make sure you stay into the end of the video. You don't want to miss any of this content. And then that way you're going to actually learn how to get access to my free training. And also underneath this video in the description below, I'm going to include a link to where you can get the actual show notes. So anything that I talk about in this video, including any websites that I share with you, I'll include in the show notes, so that way you can get more information about everything in this video. So let's go ahead and let's dive into the content. Let me share with you how to do affiliate marketing without a website. So one of the first ways that we can actually do affiliate marketing, and by far is one of my favorite ways, is with Facebook groups. So with Facebook groups, what you can do is you can create a free Facebook group, and inside of that group, you want to make it niche. So if you're in the keto niche, or maybe you're in the weight loss niche, or you're in the health and beauty, you're in finances, whatever it is, you want to create a group solely for that particular niche. And inside of that group, you want to spend at least a few hours every single day trying to grow that group, get new members inside of that group. And inside of that group, what you want to do is you want to provide value, engage with your audience inside of that group, and then also you can promote different affiliate offers inside of that group to earn sales. Now, the whole point of the group is to actually create community. And when you create community, it helps you to build that know, like, and trust factor. And the more people know and like your brand and trust your brand, or you, for example, they will more than likely buy things from you. So let me go and show you an example of this being done on Facebook. So right now we're here on Facebook. So if I was to do a search for keto recipes, and let's say I choose the groups option, they have different groups right here that I can go ahead and join, and I can get inside of these groups and I can start to kind of get a good idea of how they're actually promoting items inside of their group. So right now we're looking at a group called Keto Diet Recipes, Tips, and Ideas. So as you guys can see here, even when this person has created this group, you want to make sure that you are using some type of keywords inside of your group name, so that way it can easily be found. So again, if this person is going to be talking about keto recipes and keto diet or whatever else, you want to ensure that you have those type of keywords in your group name, so that when somebody comes up to Facebook to try to find groups to join about keto, your groups will show up. So as you guys can see here, this group has over 230,000 members in it. And if we were to kind of scroll through the group, we can see that people are sharing their the foods that they're eating. They're asking questions. It's a highly engaged group, okay? So this is what you want to aim for. And you don't even have to be over 200,000 members to get results with your group. You can start off with a good few hundred people inside of your group, and if your group is engaged and you're providing content, people will actually purchase things from you, like I said, even in the early stages of you growing your group. Now that this person has over 200,000 something members inside of his group, he's probably generating a consistent income every single month with his Facebook group, because he has grown it to a large number. And again, this is a highly engaged group. And what Facebook allows you to do inside of groups is that you can create a post or an announcement post that will stay at the top of your news feed inside of your group until you remove it. So whenever somebody joins this group, they're automatically going to see this first post. And in this post, this is where you can actually include the affiliate link to whatever offer that you're promoting. So again, like this guy right here is for the keto diet, and this link right here will more than likely go to maybe a product that he is selling for the keto diet, or maybe even an affiliate offer for a keto diet. So when somebody joins this group, they can click on this link, and if they decide to purchase, he earns a commission. So again, this is by far one of the simplest ways to get started with affiliate marketing, and it costs you $0 to get started with this strategy. Now, the next way that you can actually get started with affiliate marketing, and again, we're going back to Facebook. So with Facebook, you can leverage your Facebook profile in order to generate sales for whatever affiliate offer that you're promoting. And the reason why I'm talking about this strategy is because, again, this is another way for you to get started without having to spend any money on advertising or anything like that. Again, you're just leveraging free Facebook in order to generate sales. Now, what you're going to do with your profile, again, you're going to determine what niche that you're in first. So if you're in a weight loss niche, if you're in the network marketing niche, whatever it is, you want to make sure that you are building up your friends list to include people who would be interested in the products that you're selling. So you want to be really methodical when it comes to adding friends or seeking friends to add or send friend requests to. You don't just want to add any and everybody, because not everybody wants to purchase your products. Not everybody wants to work from home or whatever it is. So you want to make sure that you're methodical in when it comes to building up your friends list or your audience of people, so that way they'll be more likely to purchase things from you. So if you are an affiliate for Sephora, and we know Sephora is more so for beauty and skincare, you want to make sure that your timeline or your Facebook, you have friends that you're connected with that also like makeup products, who like skincare and things like that. So for example, if you were to even max out your friends list to include, thousands of people who like makeup and things like that, then guess what? If you make a post saying like, hey, I just found this new red lipstick from Sephora and it's amazing or whatever else, you're going to have more of a likelihood that people are going to actually click on your link to find out more about the lipstick and to possibly purchase, because you're getting your product or your services in front of the exact audience of people who would be interested. So you want to make sure that you do this. Now, I have shown on this channel before how I actually just make a simple post on Facebook where I'm just asking a simple question, maybe, hey, do you want to know how to get some additional traffic? Or do you want to know how to make $100 per day? Comment me below. I do something like that to that effect, and people will just leave comments below that post. Now, what I would do is once they start leaving comments, I would actually inbox those people, and I'll actually just give them the information or give them the link to the actual offer, and then that way they can actually check out the offer and possibly purchase. I can also go back and follow up through with those people to see if they're still interested. Maybe they just didn't purchase right then. Maybe they needed some additional questions, and I'll go ahead and reach out to them, and that's how I'm able to generate sales. But again, this is a really good option for you to get started with affiliate marketing, is by using your Facebook profile. Now, the next way that I want to share with you is through TikTok. Again, this is another free way for you to get started with affiliate marketing. So again, just how I mentioned with the Facebook group and the Facebook profile, what you want to do is you want to create a TikTok account, and you want to make sure that whatever niche that you're in, that you want to include that into your username, so that way you can be easily found. And then what you want to do is you want to upload content to your TikTok that's related to that. So on this channel, I have shared with you a few examples on here. One of the examples is about a meditation TikTok that I found. They have meditation in the name. They also have included different videos about meditation, about repeating numbers, everything else that would be really important or really valuable to people who are inside of the self-help or the meditation niche. And that's what you want to do. You just want to upload the content, make sure it is geared towards your niche, and then what you want to do is you want to include your affiliate link to whatever it is that you're promoting, maybe a ClickBank offer that you found in the self-help section of ClickBank, and you can include that link in your bio. Another thing that people are actually doing is they're actually using a link tree, and what you can do with link tree is that you can go ahead and put that link inside of your bio, and then when somebody clicks on that, it's going to take them to another page where you can actually present different offers on your TikTok that way, and people actually leverage this as well with Instagram. Now, the next way is through YouTube. So what you want to do here with YouTube, just how I mentioned in the other steps, and I hopefully you're kind of seeing a common theme right here, is that you want to create a channel geared towards your niche. So first, determine what niche that you want to be in, and then you want to make efforts into creating content that is specific for that niche onto your channel. So if you're in the health and fitness niche, or maybe you're in the weight loss niche, you want to create content on your YouTube channel that's geared towards weight loss. You want to find different keywords and everything else. You definitely want to do keyword research in order for you to find topics that people are already searching for. And again, you want to create video content around that, so that way your videos can be found on YouTube, and then you can actually give solutions to people's problems, because usually when people come over to YouTube is to find solutions. So if you create simple how-to videos on your channel, that way people can find your videos, you're solving a problem, and that immediately builds that know, like, and trust factor with your brand or your channel. And then what you can do inside of these videos after you have created the solution to those problems, you can tell people to go underneath the video in the description, and you can include your link to your affiliate product there. And also what you want to do with your channel is you definitely want to make sure that you're being consistent. So you at least want to do one video every single week in order to build up your channel. Now, if you have the opportunity to make more than one video per week, that's completely fine. Just make sure you're able to stick to that schedule for the long term, so that way you can start to build up your channel, and then that way more people are seeing your content. Now, the next way that you can do this is through email marketing. So also on this channel, I have talked about this before as well, where you're basically just going to create they call it a one-page website, but it's really just one page where you're actually just trying to collect emails. The whole purpose of this particular page or this email opt-in page is to collect emails. So on this page, you want to give away something for free in exchange to get that person's email. So if they want that free thing, they have to insert their email address. And once they have done that, their email will actually go into your email autoresponder, and that's just a fancy term that we use to basically is a place that we actually house all those emails that we're collecting. And from there, at least once a day or once every other day or something like that, you can email blast all those emails or those people who are on your list, and you can present different offers to them. And again, that's what we call email marketing. You definitely want to go and do some research on email marketing. Again, there are people out here who are making multi-millions of dollars with email marketing, and all they're doing is just sending out an email every single day, and they're able to generate hundreds, even thousands, or even tens of thousands of dollars in one day because they have built up an email list and they have nurtured that list over time. And now what I mean by nurturing that list is that they're also providing value. They're teaching people things inside of their emails, and then occasionally they make offers. And when they make those offers, because they have built up that know, like, and trust factor with those people who are on their email list, people are more likely to purchase things that they recommend. So definitely you want to look into this. This is a great way to get started with affiliate marketing, and it's definitely something that I use in my affiliate marketing business. Now, the next one that I want to share with you is Instagram. So just following the theme with the previous steps, you want to create a free Instagram account and make sure that you choose your niche, and you want to create content that's geared towards your niche. So I want to show you guys just a quick example of a really popular page on Instagram that is doing this, and how you can actually leverage it in order to get sales with affiliate marketing. So right now we're looking at this page is the Millionaire Mentor, and this is a really popular page. As you guys can see here, it has over 7 million followers. And again, you don't need millions of followers in order for this to work. You can start off with a few hundred, a few thousand followers and start to generate sales with affiliate marketing with this strategy. So what you want to do is, as you guys can see here, is the Millionaire Mentor. So most of the content that he's going to have on here is about people who want to be entrepreneurs, people who want to become millionaires, mindset, things like that, that is geared towards his niche. And that's what he is doing on this page. Now, how you can actually leverage this in order to generate sales with affiliate marketing is that once you are building your page, all you will need to do is you need to include a link right here. And this is what Instagram does. It allows you to include one clickable link on your page. So on this one right here, if we were to click on it, it will take us to whatever offer or whatever product or service that he is selling. You can, again, how I mentioned in the TikTok example, you can also include a link tree here. So if somebody was to click on this link, it will take them to a page where they have different multiple offers on that page. You can do that as well. So if you're in the dog niche, what you can do is you can create a page. Make sure you have dog in your keywords, or the username for your particular page. Or if you're going to be geared towards a certain type of dog, or maybe like German Shepherds love, or whatever else, you want to make sure that you include that here, so that way your page is searchable. And then you just want to make sure that you're including some information here. You want to include memes, whatever it is that's geared towards that particular niche, the dog niche or German Shepherds, whatever it is. And then you can find an offer on ClickBank or something like that, where you could just include that link right here. So that way when people come and find your page, they can actually just click on the link. It'll take them to the offer. And if they decide they want to purchase, that's how you earn a commission. Now, the next way you can get started with affiliate marketing is through ebooks. So with ebooks, whether you are a good writer or even if you're not a good writer, you can still have success with this. So even if you're not that good of a writer, you can definitely go to places like Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, whatever it is, and you can go to these freelancing sites to have people to create short ebooks for you. Now, an ebook is probably anywhere from a few tens of pages or maybe a couple of hundred, maybe about 100 or so. They're really just small ebooks, okay? And inside of these ebooks, what you can do is you can create content and include affiliate links throughout the content. So let me go to Amazon and let me show you an example of people actually doing this. So right now we're looking at Amazon, and I just did a quick search of ebooks affiliate marketing. So as you guys can see here, they start pulling up a full list of people who have created books or ebooks about affiliate marketing. And now you're seeing the ones that cost $0. Do you see this here? So what people are doing is they are creating ebooks that they're basically giving away for free on Amazon because that's not where they're trying to make their money. Most of them are trying to make their money through the affiliate links and offers they have included throughout the book. So this is what you can do. Again, you can create the book yourself, or again, you can outsource this to Fiverr.com, have somebody to create an affiliate marketing or whatever niche that you're in, create a simple ebook. And what you want to do is you want to go through that book and include affiliate links throughout the book that's actually going to help people to get to any type of end result pretty much. So again, here we go with additional books that are just basically given away because again, they want the sales on the back end. And what I mean by sales on the back end means all the links that are inside of these books, that's considered the back end. So if somebody was to read the book and they saw an affiliate link and they actually go to that website and actually purchase something, whoever created this book earns a commission. So don't sleep on this particular option. It's a really good option. And again, you guys can see that this is something that is actively being done on Amazon. And this next option that I want to share with you is classify ads. So on this channel, I have shown you guys how I actually get affiliate sales simply by using free classifieds. And in those video contents, I actually show how you can actually create an ad, how I post the ads and everything else. And for a particular offer that I actually promote inside of my business, I just post 20 free ads onto these websites to help me to build up my email list. And then what I do is that I send emails to the people who have opted in, who want to get more information about that particular offer. And then by me providing more value through my emails and things like that, I'm able to generate sales about $100 a pop because I am posting on these classified ad sites. So if you don't have a high budget in order to promote your business and things like that, you can definitely leverage classified ads, free online classified ads, in order to promote your affiliate offers and to generate sales. So in this video, I share with you 8 ways that you can do affiliate marketing without a website. And as I promised you, because you made it all the way through the content, I want to let you know how to get access to my free $100 a day affiliate marketing training. So underneath this video in the description below is going to give you access to my new Facebook group that I have created. And if you go ahead and join that Facebook group, you can get access to my free training. And that way you can go ahead and get started with affiliate marketing. So if you have any questions about anything that I covered in this video, make sure you leave a comment below. Also, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video.